In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hidden Eventbrite tickets. If you want to offer tickets to a select group of people without displaying them publicly on your event page, Eventbrite gives you a couple of reliable ways to do that. This is especially useful for VIP guests, early bird offers, private events, email subscribers, or invite-only access. It can also help reduce the chance of bots grabbing free tickets. The first method is to hide a ticket type directly. To begin, go to Eventbrite and log into your account. From there, open your event dashboard for the event you want to manage. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Tickets. You'll see the ticket types connected to your event. Select the specific ticket you want to hide, then open the Advanced Settings or the Ticket Visibility options depending on the layout you see. Look for the visibility setting and change it to Hidden from the drop-down menu. After that, save your changes. Once this is done, that ticket will no longer appear on your public event page. So if someone visits your event normally, they won't see that hidden ticket listed with the other available options. The second method, and the one most commonly used for secret or restricted access tickets, is to use a promo code to unlock hidden tickets. Start again from your event dashboard, then go to Tickets and select Promo Codes. Click Add Code and enter the code name you want to use. Make sure you set it as an access code, not a discount code. Then enable the option to reveal hidden tickets during checkout and save your settings. With this setup, the hidden tickets stay invisible to the general public, and only people who have the access code can unlock them during checkout. This is the official Eventbrite supported method for creating secret ticket access. So it's usually the best choice when you want more control over who can see and claim a ticket. One important thing to keep in mind is that Eventbrite does not fully lock tickets by default unless you combine the right settings. If a ticket is not hidden, people may still be able to see it if it's public. For better privacy and control, you should hide the ticket and use either an access code or a private link when needed. That's how to create hidden Eventbrite tickets using the web version. If you follow these settings carefully, you'll be able to control visibility and keep certain tickets available only to the right audience.